Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today is gonna be another tutorial, but it's a bit different. Today's tutorial is gonna be about how to add a bot to your Discord server. It's easy, but just follow the steps. So first of all, if you go to your browser and you go to your Discord server, you will find make a server. I'll make a server now. Create my own community club. That's the name, I don't care. Yeah, over here. So to find a Discord bot, you come click on the icon with a name, say with the arrow, and after you click on it, you scroll and you'll find you'll find this button and press on it. Okay, here in this button you can find any Discord bot you want, any verified, I'll say. So over here I can find any bot that I want. There's a lot, thousands. It says over here 8,600 bot. So I'm just gonna select this bot. I'll add to app. After you add to app, you can click visit site to add it to your server. So over here is gonna ask me, oh, what's the bot gonna do with my profile? So yeah, my profile, yeah. And over here we'll ask what are the stuff that you want the bot to do in your server. So an administrator and a server manager, manage roles, manage channels. I'm okay with everything over here, so I'm gonna click on authorize. Over here just do I'm a human. Okay, after you see that, you probably heard the system message over here, the thingy. The bot have added to my server. So I actually recommend this bot, ProBot, because it's a very good bot. It can do a lot of stuff. So you see over here, it can tell me the overall of my server, and can tell me server settings. I can do anything. I can do commands. It's mostly all of servers, but this one's mostly free. It's just good stuff that are most of the stuff are free. So yeah, you can do auto roll. So auto roll, you wanna if anyone joins the server, you can name them you can give them a role name member automatic. So in my Discord server, I do have that for a member role. If I go to server settings and roles, yeah, you can find it over here. So everyone that joins, so they get that. I actually recommend by the way, I actually recommend you guys joining my server. If you want some help, I'll help you. And yeah, so that's the way to add a server to your add a bot to your server. Thank you for watching the video, and I wish that video helped. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and see you next time. Goodbye.